Monkeys work hard for Farmer Bob. Every day, Farmer Bob pays monkeys in leaves. Shiny, green leaves. Why leaves? Because Bob says so. Monkeys trade leaves for yummy bananas. One bunch costs, say 10 leaves. Monkey work, get leaves, buy bananas. Simple. Yes, but it's a treadmill, always working for those leaves. Oh no, banana, go up, Farmer Bob says. Oh. One bunch costs 15 leaves. Monkey sad. Monkey must work harder, longer, just to get same bananas. Why banana go up? Maybe bad weather hurt crops. Maybe Farmer Bob wants more shiny leaves for himself. Monkey doesn't know. Monkey just sees banana get harder to reach. More work, same banana. Monkey tired. This, my friend, is the rat race jungle. It's always running on that leaf-earning wheel. Work harder, banana costs more. Need more leaves? Work even harder, it never ends. Monkey feels stuck. Trapped in a cage made of leaves. How silly. Monkey dreams of freedom. Monkey dreams of freedom. But how? Enter the banana tree, not the bananas you eat now. A tree you plant. It takes time. Sunlight, water, patience. But slowly it grows. Guess what? It starts making bananas. For free? No extra work needed? Monkey just sits, watches tree, gets bananas. Monkey happy dance. This magic tree. It's called passive income. Instead of only trading time for leaves, Monkey uses some leaves to plant trees. Maybe buy a tiny piece of Farmer Bob's orchard, or lend leaves to another monkey building a bigger treehouse. The tree works for the monkey. More trees equals more free bananas rolling in. Monkey smart. Monkey doesn't quit the leaf job right away. No, monkey keeps working and plants trees. Every week, monkey saves a few leaves. These leaves for future bananas, monkey says. Buys little tree seedlings. Slowly, steadily, the banana forest grows. Banana go up. Monkey shrugs. No problem. My trees make more bananas anyway. Less panic, less running. Monkey spends less time on Farmer Bob's wheel. Maybe works a bit less, or finds a more fun job paying fewer leaves. Because banana trees got monkey covered. Freedom grows like those trees. Monkey escapes the cage. The more frantic leaf chasing just to survive. Monkey lives life, eats bananas, swings happily. True jungle freedom. So ditch the endless leaf chase. Start planting your banana trees today, bit by bit. Build your own banana forest and swing right out of that rat race jungle. Be a smart monkey. Want more ways to grow your banana trees? Hit subscribe. More fun jungle wisdom coming your way. Swing by next time.